you can download huge numbers of files with Sirv's background download feature. When you receive the email with the download links, click the links before they expire. It can take a long time to download all the files because they're usually quite large. In case your connection drops out, your browser should allow you to resume the download. It's important to wait until all the files have fully downloaded before unzipping them. Once they're all on your computer, unzip the master.zip file. Don't try to unzip the other files because they will unpack automatically. If your zip program cannot extract the zip file, install a free program that supports multi-volume zips. The email recommends some suitable programs. If you need any help downloading or unzipping your files, please message the Sirv team to get a reply within 24 hours.